Again today, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making another way to make slime is using salt and just soap. So I want to try it because I've seen a lot of people on YouTube try it and I want to try it. So let's try it. First I'm going to wash it out because if like some of the other mixtures get mixed, I don't want it to end up like bad and chunky, and so we're just going to mix it. So we're just gonna, there we go. Okay, so I didn't really have anything to mix it with, so I'm using the end of a toothbrush. So first what you want to pour in is, oh man, I'll be right back because I gotta go get a spoon. Okay, so we're back, and I got like one tablespoon. So we're just gonna take the 1 tablespoon and we're gonna take some salt. So we're just gonna take the 1 tablespoon and pour some salt in it. So about that much of salt. So here we go. So we're gonna pour it in. Ew, smells bad. Okay, so before all of them other mixtures get mixed in, I'm gonna pour some dish soap. So okay, should work. Ew, so I can already like see it forming. Ew, okay, I have like a really good idea. Okay, instead of using that, I think we're gonna just use, nope, gotta use it. Gotta use a toothbrush. So, just mix it. Ew, it's like so, like, ew. Just, I'm gonna pour some of the water out, because like, I got water in it, but, so I'm gonna pour more salt in it. There's more salt, and then we're going to pour this in there. Just want salt to be mixed in. Ew. Like, I mean, it's more like liquidy than... It's more liquidy than like slime, but I mean, it feels like slime. Like, here, we're just gonna restart this because I don't think I did it right, and it's just nasty. Because I don't think I just did it right. I don't know. I just don't think I did it right. I seriously don't think I did it right. So we're just gonna restart this because I think I had water in it.
You're done, not my done. Shut up! She's gone. She's not gonna...
That is dry now, so there should not be. If this doesn't work this time, then how do they do it? I think it's magic. I don't know. I think I put less dish soap in this time and more salt. You know, it smells weird. I wish you guys could just smell it, but that's how much you put in. 1 tablespoon. And I think you put, so now we're just going to try it with less. So, okay. Oh no, oh no. Hey, now it's all bubbly. Woo. Okay, so now we're going to, I think we need like some just, okay, so now we're going to pour some other soap in. Oh. But hopefully this works. Just gotta mix it up like really good. Ew! I think I just made slime. I think I just made slime. And blue. I'm like using mostly all of the salt right now. Okay, so let's see if it works. Okay, so, oh my gosh. It is slime! I made slime. I made slime. Oh my gosh, I made it. Could you see this? Like right now? Like, oh my gosh, I did. Okay, thank you guys for watching. And I am so glad that we made slime today. Because, like, in my last video, I did make slime, but it was just like, oh no, oh no. Oh no, slimy. Okay, so, thank you guys for watching. Bye.